Hey there! Have you ever wondered how your body works? It's a fascinating machine. Today we're taking a journey through your circulatory system. Think of it as your body's very own delivery service, constantly transporting essential packages to keep you going. The circulatory system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in your body. It's a vast network of blood vessels, like a network of roads and highways. But instead of cars and trucks, it's your blood that's doing the traveling. This blood carries oxygen from your lungs and nutrients from the food you eat. It also picks up waste products and carries them away to be removed from your body. Pretty cool, right? So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the amazing world of your circulatory system. Get ready for some interesting facts. Now, not all circulatory systems are created equal. Just like there are different types of roads, there are different types of circulatory systems in the animal kingdom. Some animals have open circulatory systems, while others have closed circulatory systems. In an open circulatory system, the hemolymph, instead of the blood, isn't contained within vessels. Think of it like a free-flowing river, where the hemolymph is pumped into the hemocoel and bathes the body cells directly. Insects, for example, grasshoppers and mollusk-like snails have this type of system. Humans, on the other hand, like fish and amphibians, have a closed circulatory system. Our blood is always contained within a network of blood vessels. This allows for more efficient transport of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. It's like having a superhighway system that delivers everything right where it needs to go. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Humans actually have what's called a double circulatory system. That means our blood travels through the heart twice in one complete circuit. It's like taking a round trip. Why do we need a double circulatory system? Well, it all comes down to efficiency. By having two separate circuits, one for the lungs and one for the rest of the body, we can maintain higher blood pressure and deliver oxygen more effectively. It's a brilliant design. We'll explore these two circuits, pulmonary and systemic circulation, in more detail later on. But first, let's take a closer look at the heart of the matter. Literally. Section 4. The powerful pump, your heart. Your heart is an amazing organ. It's about the size of your fist and works tirelessly, 24/7, to keep your blood pumping. Think of it as a powerful pump that never takes a break. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The atria are the receiving chambers, while the ventricles are the pumping chambers. The left and right sides of the heart are separated by a thick wall called the septum. Blood enters the heart through the atria and is then pumped out of the ventricles. It's a well-coordinated dance that keeps your blood flowing. Valves between the chambers ensure that blood flows in one direction. There are tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, and semilunar valve. The closing of the valves makes the lub-dub sound. Section 5. Breathing with your blood, pulmonary circulation. Remember how we talked about double circulation? Well, pulmonary circulation is one part of that double whammy. This circuit involves the heart and the lungs. It's all about getting rid of carbon dioxide and picking up fresh oxygen. Deoxygenated blood, which is low in oxygen and high in carbon dioxide, returns to the heart from the body. It enters the right atrium through vena cava and is then pumped into the right ventricle. From there, the right ventricle pumps the blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, a remarkable exchange takes place. Carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and oxygen is absorbed. This oxygen-rich blood then travels back to the heart through pulmonary vein, ready to be delivered to the rest of the body. It's like a breath of fresh air for your blood. Section 6. Delivering the goods. Systemic circulation. Now let's talk about systemic circulation, the other half of our double circulatory system. This circuit is all about delivering oxygen-rich blood and nutrients to all the cells in your body. The oxygenated blood from the lungs enters the left atrium of the heart through the pulmonary vein. It is then pumped into the left ventricle, the heart's powerhouse. The left ventricle pumps this oxygen-rich blood out to the rest of the body through aorta. As the blood travels through the body, it delivers oxygen and nutrients to the cells. It also picks up waste products like carbon dioxide and carries them away. This deoxygenated blood then returns to the heart, and the cycle begins again.